All right, so you're gonna grab your lacrosse ball. You're gonna go to the upper glute. You don't wanna be in the lower or middle of the glute. You wanna be up on the higher portion, right beside almost your tailbone, not directly on any bone, but just beside your hip or your tailbone, okay? From here, we're gonna get into that position on our back. We're gonna put our feet up on a bench or up on a couch, something, whatever you have. Put that lacrosse ball into that high glute position, and once there, we're gonna sink in. Keep that core nice and tight, and we're going to roll around while keeping that core engaged. Roll around, find whatever tissues are tight, whatever place feels good. You can internally rotate your foot, you can externally rotate your foot, play around with that, and just roll back and forth for about 2 or 3 minutes.